Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Bean here. This is another hashtag Pink for DJ King. Hopefully it's a nice quick one. Let y'all know in the community of the hashtag Pink for DJ King that I'm thinking about you, think about you all year round. But I know especially during the month of October that we're here for you and recognizing of that. I lost my mother to abdominal cancer and I lost my father-in-law to lung cancer. So cancer has hit our family, even though it's not the same one that is the breast cancer, but we still are affected, have been affected by it. So my little way of giving back is to support DJ King with her hashtag for DJ King. Alrighty, so this one was purchased in March the 15th. Now, I already had started opening it because I was opening it for another haul, thinking it was for that haul, and then I saw it is a pink item, so we gotta save it specially for y'all. So here we go. Let's break into it. This is something I do not have in my collection. It is a Dooney, and look at this. It's a quilted bag. I need a quilted craze right now. The Coach Quilted has me going. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. The front, the side, the back, the other side, the bottom. She's got feet. The top, the strap is very, very soft. See, will she fit my arm? She does fit the arm a little tight. I can lengthen it a little bit. Look, she kind of looks. This is my Coach Quilted dragon fruit. This one's a little bit more pinky purple. This is definitely more pink. Let's see. Here is the Dooney duck right there. Beautiful. That's a beautiful one. And let's see. It does have a snap there. The inside is very clean. Look at that. Very, very clean. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It has the strap here. Back zipper pocket here. Oh, it's so big I can't unzip it. There we go. There we go. Here it has a large zip pocket there. It has a pocket and a pocket there for the cell phones or your sunglasses. Here is the Dooney patch here. Oh, here's a Dooney patch right there. And then it has these snaps. So yeah, it has a snap there and another snap here and then the snap in the middle. Okay, pretty cool. I like that. Let's stuff this. Do I have any stuffing left? Okay, so I changed the strap to the second. I was able to move it to the second to the bottom. I still have one more, but I thought this might, oh yeah, there we go. Cute, cutie, look at that. Oh my gosh, very cute. Very, very cute. I like that. This is, I have never encountered this. I've seen them on eBay and I know that I got it for a much better deal from Lady Badger. I'll put her information in the description box. She's in beautiful, beautiful shape. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. Great find, Lady Badger. Great find. Thank you so much for finding her for me. For me, she's great. Alrighty, if you come this far, can y'all leave me some hearts, pink hearts, and some ducks? And that way I can see you and I know that you're here with me till the end. If you have been affected by the horrible disease of cancer, please know that I'm praying for you and your family. And I understand how things can happen, and hopefully this brightens your day. If you be so kind to subscribe to me, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you hit that like button, check out my description box. I do have a membership, Beanbeauti Fan Club membership, that has extra perks, that has extra content, extra one-on-ones, kind of what we can do if you are so interested in it. I also have some merchandise that if you are interested in purchasing, you can reach me at beanbeautibagsit@yahoo.com or beanbeautibagsit on Instagram. I greatly appreciate your time and your attention, and just know that I'm praying for you and your family. And thank you for all of y'all who are here watching. Love y'all, Bean Beauties. Bye-bye.